Hi, this is Deborah Winsong with Expert Village. In this segment I'll show you some multiple strand work, and so we have one piece that is 2 strands and it has a pendant hanging from it, and another piece that is 3 strands. Besides the fact that we're using more than one strand, the thing that we want to show you is how to connect them to your clasps. And there are a few different ways you can do that. For this 2-stranded necklace, I just used jump rings and wire protectors as well, and then the crimps and the crimp covers, and a trigger clasp and the chain. And that's similar to the 1-stranded necklace. On this 3-stranded, you can use a special toggle clasp that has 3 rings on it. In that way, you're attaching each strand separately to each ring on the toggle clasp. What I like about working with multiple strands is that you can get a lot more creative. You can put your dividers and actually attach the strands together in certain places. And then you can create gaps as well. Your strands usually are going to need to be a slightly different length. The outside strand will need to be a little bit longer than the inside strand, and you have to check along the way as you're making it to see if it's laying straight, and especially when you're using dividers to connect the 2 strands as well. You don't want any areas to get too bunched up. Also, you can twist, because the beads are the same size, you can give these a twist and create a whole new look with this style.